Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. Okay, last class what we have studied? We studied about ordinal numbers. Once again I will repeat it. Ordinal. What are ordinal numbers? Okay, these are also the words indicates the numbers. Okay, and we should use these words to explain about the position. Okay, first FIRST, first, second SCOND, third THIRD, third FOURTH, fourth, FIFTH, fifth, SIXTH, sixth, SEVENTH, seventh, EIGHTH, eighth, NINTH, ninth, TENTH, tenth. Once again I will explain. FIRST, first, SECOND, second, THIRD, third, FOURTH, fourth, FIFTH, fifth, SIXTH, sixth, SEVENTH, seventh, EIGHTH, eighth, NINTH, ninth, TENTH, tenth, and then L1, 12, 13, 14. Okay, the ordinal numbers after L1, 12, 13. LEVENTH, L1, TWELF, TH, 12th, THREENTH, 13th, FOURTEEN, 14th, FIFTEENTH, 15th, SIXTEENTH, 16th, SEVENTEENTH, 17th, EIGHTEENTH, 18th, NINTEENTH, 19th, TWENTEIETH, 20th. See, once again I will explain. ELEVENTH, 11, TWELF, 12th, THIRTEENTH, 13th, FOURTEENTH, 14th, FIFTEENTH, 15th, SIXTEENTH, 16th, SEVENTEENTH, 17th, EIGHTEENTH, 18th, NINTEENTH, 19th, TWENTEIETH, 20th. So these are the ordinal numbers from 1st to 20. So yesterday we have completed the worksheet from 175 to 177. So today let's Write the worksheet, page number 178. There is a rainbow and the names have written on it. Okay, the names of the colors have written on the rainbow, and according to the position, which is the first one, which is the second one, which is the third one, we should write it. Okay, let's start. First one is done for you. Violet is the, once we will read the colors. First one is violet, second indigo, third blue, fourth green, fifth yellow, sixth orange, seventh red. There will be seven colors in the rainbow. So come down. First one, violet is the first. Let's page number 178. First one, violet is the first color in the rainbow. See the rainbow. First one is violet. Second, blue is the, see, blue they are asking. Which one it is, which position the blue is having in the rainbow? First is violet, second is indigo, third is blue, fourth is green, fifth is yellow, sixth orange, and seventh red. They are asking blue is, which place blue is? Violet is the first color in the rainbow. Blue is the, which place? Third. Third. Third color in the rainbow. Green. Green is the, which place green? Fourth. So green is the fourth color. F-O-U-R-T-H. Green is the fourth color in the rainbow. Yes. Next, fourth one. Indigo is the, dash color in the rainbow. Where is indigo? Indigo is in second position. Fifth, red is the, where is red? Red is in seventh. This place is E-V-E-N-T-H. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh place. And then we will go for page number 179. Okay, first one we will write it. A. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. It means the question contains 4 options. In that, 3 will be wrong and 1 will be correct. But here they have given 3 options. 1 will be correct answer and remaining will be wrong. So we should identify it. Okay, let's start. January is the, which month? Which place? January. Second month, third month, first month. So January is the first month. First one, A, B, C. So C is the answer. That is first month. F-I-R-S-T. First month. Got it? See, second one. Cardinal number for 12th is. Cardinal means numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 10. These are called as cardinal numbers, which you already studied about. These are known as cardinal numbers. Cardinal number for 12th is A2, B12, C11. So B is the answer. B 12. So in option B you should tick it. Third one, ordinal number for 4 is fourth, A F-O-R-T-H fourth, B F-O-U-R-T-H fourth, C F-I-F-T-H fifth. So the ordinal number of fourth, what is the spelling? F-O-U-R-T-H. So answer B. F-O-U-R-T-H. So this is first one, second one, and this is third one. Fourth one, ordinal number for 19 is N-I-N-E, N-I-N-E-T-E-E, first one A, N-I-N-T-E-E-N-T-H, N-I-N-E, N-I-N-T-E-N-T-H, C N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. So answer is C. Fourth answer C, that is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. So first one is January is the C, first month. Second, cardinal number for 12th is B 12. Third, ordinal number for 4 is fourth. B option F-O-U-R-T-H 4. And the fourth problem, ordinal number for 19 is C option N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. Got it? We'll go for next. B, true or false? First one, May is the 4th month of the year. May is the 4th. Month of the year. Second one, February is the 2nd month of the year. February is the 2nd month of the year. Third one, 19th in words. 19 in word. Next one, third, 19th in words. In word is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. Fourth, December is the last month of the year. Fifth, violet is the first. Violet is the first color in the rainbow. Just see this sentences. May is the fourth month of the year. Okay, read months of the year. January, February, March, April, May. So May is which month? Fifth month. They have telling here May is the fourth month of the year. So tell me, is it true? No, this is false. February is the second month of the year. January, February. So February is the second month. So this is true. 19th in word is NINETEENTH. Correct. So this is true. December is the last month of the year. Yes. We will read months. We will tell last the December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So December is the last month. This is also true. Violet is the first color in the rainbow. Just see back. There is a rainbow. Violet is which place? First place. So this is also true. Okay. Complete this in your textbook also. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Next one. L is the dash letter in the word PLAYER, player. Just see the spelling. L is the which place? C. L is the dash letter in the word player. CPL. So L is in second. So you should write here SECOND, second. Next, P is the dash letter in the word September. SEPTEMBER, September. Where is P? You just read first. P is in third place. First, second, third. So write here third. 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 Okay. Third one. R is the dash letter in the word Thursday. 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 So where is R? First, second, third, fourth. So R is in fourth place. R is the FOURTH. Fourth place in the letter. In the word Thursday. M is the dash letter in the word November. M. November. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So M is the fifth. FIFTH. Fifth letter in the word November. S is the dash letter in the word numbers. So numbers, last place. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh also you can write, or you can write last place. S is the last letter in the word numbers. Or you can write first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 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 Last also you can write, seventh also you can write. Sixth. T is the dash letter in the word rabbit. So this is also last. T is in last place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. T is the dash. Last are sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth place in the word rabbit. So complete up to here. Tomorrow I will explain the next content. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can call me and you can solve your problems. Thank you.